here I have my squishy. Now off camera, I actually hold it, and you have to kind of, since it's a big squishy, you have to like force it in there, and then you turn the heart until it turns back up correctly, and then here's where it gets. Seriously, I also had to do this off camera. I had to reach in there because it doesn't really always go at the right spot. So yeah, and then you get your squishy. So there's nothing on the top, but usually I keep my coin here or whatever. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you the back. Alright, so this is the back. This is where you see your stuff. This is where you pull your thing. Sorry. Anyways, alright, so this would come out and it would fall into this water bottle, and when you turn it, it will come out here or wherever it goes. This will hold up the thing that goes through that hole right there. That's for the coin, and this hooks up to this so that it can make it kind of tilted, and this also holds it, but it could also slide out too. This is the thingy that if it falls here, you could just like pull it out if you don't feel like reaching in here. But yeah, that's it for the back, and that is it for my whole squishy vending machine. Hope you liked it. Try it out, and yeah. And also, this is my dog Bella. Isn't she so cute? This little girl is cute, baby. So Bella, say bye.